Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to delete your Facebook account. If you're considering deleting your Facebook account for any reason, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of permanently deleting your Facebook account. Step 1. Back up your data. Before deleting your Facebook account, it's important to back up your data in case you want to access it later. To do this, follow these steps. Log into your Facebook account. Click on the down arrow in the top right corner of the page. Click on Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Click on your Facebook information in the left-hand menu. Click on Download your information. Select the data you want to download and click Create File. Step 2. Delete your Facebook account. Once you've backed up your data, you're ready to delete your Facebook account. Follow these steps. Log into your Facebook account. Click on the down arrow in the top right corner of the page. Click on Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Click on your Facebook information in the left-hand menu. Click on Delete your account and information. Select Delete account and enter your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion of your account. Step 3. Confirm your account is deleted. After following the above steps, your Facebook account will be scheduled for deletion. It may take up to 90 days for your account to be fully deleted. To confirm that your account has been deleted, follow these steps. Log out of all Facebook apps and accounts. Try to log into your Facebook account. If your account has been deleted, you'll see a message that says your account has been deactivated and is scheduled for deletion. Conclusion. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Remember, once you delete your account, you won't be able to reactivate it or retrieve any of the data or information you had on it. So be sure to back up your data before deleting your account. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.